Habaikan bagi patai kubor Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulaong bagi Sorkar Jela kala itu ikikat artiligi college keberan haga Jela kumki Peoples College bat lengba kene gejing itu ikini college kin yo ekejing kersana ke Sorkar Jela bat ke Sorkar kan siu tulop jekino hikai bat ginong trai haki college Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulaong baki kat artiligi college kebeli ojing itu kumki Peoples College ki kentop ya Thomas Jones Synod College Hajawai ya district West Gent Hills ka Abang Noga College Hatura ha West Garo Hills ka Crossing Christian College ha Moplang ha East Khasi Hills ka Riwar College ha Penursla ha East Khasi Hills ka Loyola College ha William Nagar ha East Garo Hills ka Balawan College Umsning ha district Ribhoi ka Mausen Ram Border Area College ha Mausen Ram ha East Khasi Hills ka Selsela College ha Selsela ha West Garo Hills ka Seng Khasi College ha Jayau Shillong ka Mendi Pathar College ha Mendi Pathar ha North Garo Hills ka Sngap Singh College ha Mokorwat ha South West Khasi Hills bat ka Triki Kila College ha Tikri Kila West Garo Hills Ulaong bagi Sorkar kan penelut dikepisah ke bakot kat nyo poin kendai sau keluar tengkah sisnem bat mana ubnai kan penelut iwei poin san keluar tengkah na kebenta kini ki People's College.
17 crores 94 lakhs will be the financial implication for 12 colleges annually, which means on a monthly basis about 1.5 crores. And hence, with this, the entire concerns of our youth, especially, who are not able to get access to college seats. And every year we hear this kind of problems that are there. We are hopeful that as per the government's, our mandate and our mission also, and our commitment to the people that education will be given priority. So therefore, these aspects are being done. And if you notice today in the cabinet, majority of the agendas were related to education.
Menteri Rangba uria uru bagi Sorkar Jela kan ai ka Grant and Aid syaki nyau teliki college ad hoc jong ka Jela nag benta ki katto kini kino hikai haga bagi Sorkar kan pelut nyau pusan nak sispa kat ba ya ga ar pusan nak sispa apat an pelut hi daga managing committee jong ka college bat kini ki college kedai ki bampat yo eka 5th pay commission bat ka Sorkar kan pelut kumba khatwei klor tengka hakini ki south nam shiteng ki belalet no Ka Sorkar Jela kala ai jing Mynjur bantung beriau no hakikam ki balaj ha ka Shillong Government College of Engineering bat ka College of Architecture and Urban Planning Tura kanang bagini ki jaka pule kini awan sedang no ya ka jing hikai na do unai tung ka senam arajar ar pulai bat ka jing tei kini ki jaka pule kala kot saka khandai pukhandai na kisispa ka kam Ulaong bakidon gumbasan pau teli ki kam ban satung na gabenta ka Shillong Government College of Engineering bat gajing penelut ya kapisa kan nong ar point prah nyau klor tengka bat kidon nyau pu nyau teli ki kam ki balaj ka College of Architecture and Urban Planning Hatura bat gajing lut ka kot chaka ar point nyau klor tengka
After this is done, then certain permissions and certain processes need to be followed with, as I said, with different bodies that are there at the national level, at state level. So those procedures are required to be followed. But most important, as I said, is the sanctioning of the posts. And now that this has been done, we can say that the commissioning of the college is done now. And a few procedural aspects are left, which we hope will be completed shortly, maybe a few months. And we should be on target to start the academic session by July 2023.
Menteri Rangba ula penmena bagi Sorkar Jela kala ajung Mynjur ya ordinance ban penkelano ya Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University syaka Captain Williamson Sangma State University bat menta ke Jela kan yo no ya la ke jong ke skul ba ka baningkong hadian san posnam jong ke jing kenjo ke Jela ya ke jing dap san posnam Ule itu bagi kanhon menteri kala syem Rai namar bagi Jela kamdon Satya ya la ke jong ke State University kumta barok ki college ki haban penyeso ila dia bat ke nehu hagini ki snem ke belalet no bat ki college ki berana ke Jela kila aban jet pat mentah hagaban penyeso bat ke State University ne bat ke nehu Menteri Rangba uluong basisen bala terekam kane ki kendon bala bot ke Sorkar Pedeng bagentup ke QED exam ke bapenlongkong san ha ki skul ba ke Sorkar Pedeng kan terekam syu sisen bagi college kila penyeso syaka Captain Williamson Sangma State University Hakawai pergaliang Menteri Rangba uli ithuh bagi Sorkar Jela Kalarai ban sedang no ya kalan pule BA bat BCom. Daga bapen kha live khandai teligi post nong hikai bat kinong trei haka College of Teacher Education Tura kanang banyo ban sedang ya ka integrated course jong ka BEd.
To start BA and BCom courses by creating 39 posts and other non-teaching staff posts in the College of Teachers Education Tura. This is being done as per the new education policy, which requires the colleges that are there to have multi-disciplines. And hence, in order to enable the College of Teachers Education to be able to move forward in the lines of the new education policy, these courses will start, BA and BCom courses, as well as I said, the 39 posts will be created for this purpose.
Hakabedai bat kejingkan tho baga scheme Focus bat Focus Plus bagi digi scheme election jong Sorkar NPP. Nagaliang ukonrat kongkal sangma uloong bagi breu ki baken tho baga Sorkar klale kamsan perthai ke scheme Focus bat Focus Plus. Ki iben yi kinong rap bat kilong yeng ki badok jong kejela ki bayo ekene kejingyarap. Ula pensyai bagi Sorkar kalamang saus pak san folklor tengka ban pentrekam ya kini ki skim ban ai jingyarap ya kisau poin san not lak teli kilong yeng. Bat kalong ke babak kelas shibun man keno bagi Sorkar kalamang hado syajar san sepak keluar tengka bat kapisa kabaka ai kipat ba kamdai setia karam kumbala keno. Menteri Rangba ulong bayakan ke skim la pentrekam nadok kesenam arajar arpuwei bat kamdai setia kabla pentrekam menta balajan ke election.
Around 5,000 plus 5,000, 10,000 are not loans, and these are pure grants that are being given to the poorest section of our society in order to, with a agenda of ensuring that their overall livelihood is improved. They form producer groups and they act, together. And with this movement, we have been able to get almost close to 25,000 groups have been formed. This in itself is a huge achievement in one way. And now these groups are now all together, and obviously their productivity has improved. They're working as a team, and we are seeing that overall livelihood is slowly and steadily going up for those people. It's sad to say that helping poor people and helping the farmers is being looked at as an election agenda. It's very sad. Whoever has made this comment has not understood that these are farmers, these are people who need to be helped, and government is helping them, which should have been done a long time back. So therefore, number one, the perception itself, whoever has given this has clearly not understood the sentiments of the poor people and the sentiments of the farmers. If you go and speak to the farmers today and you hear the testimonies that they're giving, they will be telling you how this money is benefiting them to be able to raise their livelihood, to be able to take up small businesses and small works that they can do with their groups, and it's making a huge impact at the grassroots level.
Ukonrat kongkal sang mau la pentignaru ba Menteri Rangba do kari Narendra Modi unwan haka khat pratrik menta ubnai haka jela bani shimbenta haka jingrakhe jong ke jingdap san posnam ka North Eastern Council. Ulong ba Narendra Modi undon tangkat to kane kenta haka nong ba badadian kane un samino na kanong ba shlong ban e shimbenta haki weipat ki program. Ukonrat kongkal sangma ulong bak Sorkar kasdang penkreelut igijingdan kam baro hakabedai bat kilat ai jingyada bat jingsngan hakajingwan Menteri Rangba do kari.
The Honorable Prime Minister will be visiting Shillong on the 18th of December, and the purpose of the visit is to celebrate the Golden Jubilee of the Northeast Council. So he will be having two programs. It is mainly for the Northeast Council's Golden Jubilee celebration.